Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure content repurposing strategy using Descript clips step by step clearly. Open Descript and create a new project. Import your primary content, such as a video or audio file. Once the file is uploaded, use the transcription feature to generate a text version of your content. Review the transcription for accuracy and correct any mistakes. Identify key segments or highlights from your original content that could be repurposed. Select these segments by highlighting the text in the transcription. Right-click on the highlighted text and choose the option to create a new clip. This will generate a separate project tab for your selected segment. Edit the clip as needed, trimming any unnecessary parts to ensure. Add transitions or effects to enhance the clip's appeal. Incorporate visuals or captions if desired to make the content more engaging. Export the edited clip in your desired format by clicking on the Export button. Save the clip to your local drive or share it directly to social media platforms. Repeat this process for each segment you want to repurpose. Compile all your clips into a content calendar for future posting. Analyze the performance of each clip to refine your strategy over time. Adjust your repurposing approach based on audience engagement and feedback. Continue to explore Descript's features to enhance your repurposed content further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.